It's officially Groundhog Day, February 2nd, 2011. Looking from second floor's point of view from our house, as you can see, our playground is definitely a mess. It's piled up with snow, at least about 2 feet. As you can see, our fence, we do have a fence, but you could hardly see it. The snow had overlapped over it, so with our neighbors on the other side of the alley there, as you can see, their driveway is pretty much piled up. Cars couldn't get out from the garage, and their front doors are pretty blocked as well. The roads have never been plowed out since last night, so there is no way the cars could get through the streets. As you can see up in the sky, it's still pouring out there relentlessly. And zooming it out, this is from our backyard. It's kind of weird having this formation here. Looks like the Appalachian Mountains. Our neighbor's fence is still clear, although the wind gust must have drifted this way, the formation of it. Their playground is pretty hidden also. Going downstairs, see how much snow we have. This is my little Carmi here. You okay? Stay warm, huh? Cozy?
Where's Effie?
Down in the bedroom. Let's see how much snow we have. It's past 7 o'clock in the morning, and Jo Marie is just watching the news. What's going on out there? See? There is no way the traffic could get through. So here's from a Sala's point of view, our cars. It's unusual. Our cars is still not piled up with snow, but you can see the wind gusts must have formed it that way. Okay, there's nobody out there, like a ghost town. The stop sign is very unsteady, windy out. Okay, going to the kitchen. Let's see how much snow we got to the kitchen's point of view. Let's see, that's how much snow we had, and look how much formation we had from the drift. And this is still our backyard. As you can see, the fence again, the snow pretty much overlapped overboard. Okay, and same thing over here. So happy Groundhog Day. Eerie.